exercise 1B we have already completed. Now, before starting the exercise first C, we have to see the conversion of units. How to convert the units in another units, measurement units, how to convert. So look at here. Okay, so we have to convert units in deca, hecto, kilo and deci, centi, milli. Now look at here. Measurement unit of length. Measurement unit of length. We measure the unit of length in terms of meter, centimeter. So basic unit is meter. Okay. So deca means 10, hecto means 100, kilo means 1000. Okay, and deci means 1/10, centi means 1/100, and milli means 1/1000. Okay, so in 1 decameter there is 10 meter. In 1 hectometer there is 100 meter. In 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter. Understand? And in 1 decimeter is equals to 1/10 meter. In 1 centimeter 1/100 meter. In 1 millimeter 1/1000 meter. Okay, so this type we can convert the unit of length into decameter, hectometer, kilometer, and decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay, so this is the measurement of length. Now measurement of weight. Weight we measure in gram. Okay, in gram we measure the weight. So in 1 decagram there is 10 gram. In 1 hectogram there is 100 grams. In 1 kilogram there is 1000 grams. Understand? And 1 decigram is equals to 1/10 gram. 1 centigram 1/100 gram. 1 milligram 1/1000 gram. Understood? And now the measurement of capacity. Capacity we measure in liter. Liquid things like oil, petrol, milk, these measure in liter. Okay, so in 1 decaliter there is 10 liter. In 1 hectoliter there is 100 liter, and 1 kiloliter means 1000 liter. Okay, so and in 1 deciliter means 1 upon 10 liter, 1 centiliter means 1 upon 100 liter, 1 milliliter means 1 upon 1000 liter. So this is the table which would have to convert the units into the another units. Understood? तो ये वो टेबल है जो कि आपको हेल्प करेगी किसी भी यूनिट को कन्वर्ट करने में. अंडरस्टूड? सपोज I want to ask that in 1 meter how many decameter. So immediate this table you must remember that okay, deca means 10. So in 1 meter is equal to 10 decameter. Understand? 1 means 1 hectometer is equal to how many meter? 1 hectometer में कितने मीटर होते हैं? So you must remember this table that in 1 hectometer there is a 100 meter. Understand? So this time you can convert these all the units. Understood? So note down this table and remember it in the future also. So now exercise first C. Okay, question number first. This table I am not erasing because it would help, and I will explain also from this. So convert the following as okay. So convert the following. So look at here how to convert 15 meter in millimeter. First one, 15 meter in millimeter means 15 meter में कितने मिलीमीटर होते हैं. So look at here. In 1 millimeter, how many meter? 1000 meter means 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay, so 1 meter is equal to 1000. It will move there and multiply, so 1000 millimeter. यानी 1 मीटर में कितने मिलीमीटर होते हैं? 1000 millimeter. So in 15 meter, how many millimeter would be there? Because in 1 millimeter, 1 meter 1000 millimeter. So therefore in 15 meter, 1 meter में 1000 millimeter. So in 15 meter more millimeter will be there. For more what we do? We do multiply. So 15 multiply by 1000. Okay. So in shortcut you can remember it 15,000 millimeter. So look at here. In shortcut you can remember if we want to convert meter into millimeter, then what should we do? We should multiply it by 1000. Understood? अगर हमें मीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो हमें क्या करना है? मीटर को 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. And if we want to convert millimeter into meter, then what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. We have to divide by 1000. Now remember one thing, that when we convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, then it would be multiply. Understand? बड़ी यूनिट से छोटी यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, then we will do multiply. Meter is bigger unit, millimeter is smaller, so multiply. Meter is bigger, centimeter is smaller, so multiply. है ना? So this time bigger unit converting into smaller unit, then we will have to do multiply. And if from smaller unit we will So we will have to do divide. Understood everybody? So this is the method how to solve. And for shortcut, directly you can remember that if you want to convert meter into millimeter, then just multiply by 1000. Understood? Second part. (15 centimeter into meter). 15 centimeter into meter. Okay. So in 1 meter, how many centimeter is there? Everybody knows in 1 meter, 100 centimeter is there. This is smaller unit and we have to convert into bigger unit. Smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. So that means divide. Smaller to bigger means divide. Smaller to bigger means divide. So directly you can do that is 15 divided by 100. And why we are dividing? Let me write. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 15 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 into 15 means 15 upon 100. Okay. So directly you can divide by 100. 1 meter में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 100. And from smaller unit we are converting into bigger unit. So we will do divide. So 15 divided by 100. And we know that when we divide any number by 10, then decimal we put before 1 digit. If we divide by 100, then decimal we put before 2 digit. If we divide any number by 1000, then decimal will be moved before 3 digit. ठीक है? किसी भी नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो डेसिमल 1 डिजिट पहले लग जाता है. 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं then 2 डिजिट बिफोर and 1000 then 3 डिजिट. Here we are dividing by 100. यहाँ हम 100 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं then decimal 2 digit before is before 1 2. Before 1 we will place the decimal 0.15 and before point nothing is there, so you can write 0. So answer is 0.15 meter. 0.15 meter. Understood everybody? So meter into centimeter. Meter to centimeter में convert करना हो, then multiply by 100 because bigger to smaller, and from smaller to bigger if you want to convert, then divide by 100. This thing you must remember. Meter to millimeter, multiply by 1000. Meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. है ना? Alright. Third part. 5 meter into centimeter. In just previous question I have told in 1 meter how many centimeter? 100. So in 5 meter how many? In 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So in 5 meter, just bigger to smaller we have to convert into bigger to smaller. So that means multiply we will do. So 500 into 5. That means 500 centimeter. So answer is 500 centimeter. Understood everybody? Now 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter into centimeter. Okay, 25 millimeter into centimeter. So look at here. Firstly, we know that millimeter into meter. How can convert millimeter into meter? We know millimeter into meter. Smaller to bigger. So that means divide by 1000. So firstly, we have to convert this millimeter into meter. So that means 25 millimeter we have to divide by 1000. So what will come? 3 digits before we will place the decimal, but there is only 2 digits are there, one more digit required, so we will put decimal. So 0.025 meter. Okay, now we know that how to convert meter into centimeter. Multiply by 100. So 0.025 multiply by 100. So how many digits before decimal we will place? We will place this decimal will move 2 digit ahead. जब भी हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो डेसिमल 1 डिजिट ahead मूव करता है. 100 से करते हैं then 2 digit ahead. Okay, you can do by multiply also, but in shortcut. So answer will come 2.5 centimeter. So your answer is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So in shortcut method also there, that one method is this, another method also, let me tell you. One more method is there. You have seen scale. Scale you have seen 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. This is a scale here. Okay, measurement scale it is. In measurement scale you have seen like this, 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called centimeter. These are called centimeter. Okay, so between 0 to 1 there are 10 small units are there, divisions are there. Okay, small 10 divisions are there. So these small divisions are called millimeter. These small divisions are called millimeter, and this whole from 0 to 1 it is called centimeter. तो एक जो छोटी स्केल होती है उसमें टोटल कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? 15 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, और ये जो 1 सेंटीमीटर है इसके बीच में कितने मिलीमीटर है? स्मॉल डिवीजन 10. तो मींस इन 1 सेंटीमीटर देयर इज ए 10 मिलीमीटर. अंडरस्टैंड? 1 सेंटीमीटर में 10 मिलीमीटर होते हैं. तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं कि 10 मिलीमीटर में 1 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, तो 1 मिलीमीटर में कितने होंगे? 1/10 सेंटीमीटर. So in 25 millimeter, how many centimeter? 1/10 multiply 25 means 25/10 means 2.5. The logic is this. Directly I can say कि बेटा millimeter you can convert into centimeter by divide by 10. Okay. So in shortcut you can remember like this कि when you want to convert millimeter into centimeter, then what we have to do? करना क्या है आपको? Centimeter into millimeter. means bigger to smaller, then multiply by 10, and smaller to bigger means millimeter to centimeter, then divide by 10. So this result you can remember कि जब भी हमें सेंटीमीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 एंड मिलीमीटर टू सेंटीमीटर देन डिवाइड बाय 10. अंडरस्टूड? Now next part, fifth part, 1.5 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer into meter. Everybody knows that in 1 kilometer, how many meter? 1000 meter. In 1 kilometer, there is a 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 1.5 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer में 1000 मीटर होते हैं तो 1.5 किलोमीटर में मोर होंगे या लेस? मोर would be there. For more, what we have to do? We have to do multiply. So 1000 multiply by 1.5. Okay. 1000 multiply by 5. Okay. One method is like that. You can multiply ordinary multiply. You do 1000 and 1.5. You have to multiply. So how to do 5 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 1 5, sorry 5 1 5, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. So 0 0 0, 5 1. Now how many digits before decimal we will place? 1 digit before. So we will put decimal here. Okay. One method is this, by ordinary multiply you are solving, and another method by shortcut method. Shortcut method क्या होता है देखो? If we multiply any decimal number by 10, then decimal will move 1 digit ahead. If we multiply by 100, then 2 digit ahead. If multiply by 1000, then 3 digits ahead we have to move. But here after decimal only 1 digit is there, so means 2 more digits we want, so we can place here 0. After decimal in the last you can put any number of 0, that decimal number will be unchanged, it will remain same. Okay. So decimal के बाद ये 3 digit हो गए और ये decimal 3 digit after move हो जाएगा, means 1500 और ये आ गया point and 0, means कितने मीटर? Means 1500 meter. So 1500 meter. Understand? So simple thing that when we convert kilometer into meter, then we have to multiply it by 1000. And if we convert meter into kilometer, then we have to divide by 1000. So this result you can remember and directly you can solve the answer. Means अगर मुझे ये पता है कि किलोमीटर को मीटर में बदलने के लिए हमें 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, तो मैं क्या करूँगा? What should I do? Directly I will multiply 1.5 by 1000 and then our answer will come. Okay. Now 3.25 kilogram in gram. Okay, so now kilogram into gram. In 1 kilogram, how many grams? Count. In 1 kilogram, how many grams? So directly we have to kilogram into gram, means bigger unit into smaller unit we have to convert. So directly we have to multiply by 1000. Kilogram into gram. So multiply by 1000. And if we want to convert gram into kilogram, then divide by 1000. So 3.25 multiplied by 1000. So look at here. When we multiply by 1000 any decimal number, then decimal will move 3 digits ahead. So but here is only 1 digit. So here is only 2 digits. So one more below we have to do. Now 3 digits are there. So decimal will move after 3 digits. So 3250.0 you can write, but it is 3250 gram. 3.25 kilogram is equals to 3250 kilogram. This result you will have to remember that when we want to convert kilogram into gram, then multiply by 1000, and from gram to kilogram we have to divide by 1000. Understood everybody?